A very pleasant morning to the August gathering. We have gathered here for a wonderful celebration with various events lined up to celebrate this occasion. Without any delay, let's begin.
Dear esteemed dignitaries, staff, and students, let us begin this momentous occasion with a prayer. May we seek blessings for a successful event and may our hearts be filled with gratitude and respect. Now, I invite our school choir to lead us in prayer. Let us all bow our heads in prayer.
Now let us pay tribute to our motherland with Tamil Thai Varthu.
Tilaga